Hi everyone, it's Kayvon with Ascari Art. So in the midst of everything that's going on globally, including in the US with the coronavirus, it's been very difficult. A lot of us have been quarantined, a lot of us have been directly and indirectly affected by it, either having family members infected or we're just quarantined because because we're trying to keep others safe, including our family members. So with all of that happening, sometimes it's very difficult to be creative. And I know this because I experience it. I'm working from home. I'm watching the kids. We play with the kids. We go walking outside around a small perimeter. Then we come back. We're watching TV shows. We're watching movies to try to keep busy, and it's very difficult. And it's very difficult to be creative in these times, only because there's so much negativity out there, there's so much news out there, you're trying to keep up to date, there's just a lot of stress. However, I believe that creativity is the outlet for a lot of the negative energy and the feelings that you may have, and it may help you feel better that you're making something. So I'm going to help with that. What I want to do is March 21st on Saturday, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, I will be doing a YouTube live painting session. I'm not using any 91% isopropyl alcohol because I know that's hard to find. I will be using a denatured alcohol, which you could purchase from Lowe's. I have a 3 foot by 2 foot painting canvas here, and this is what I will be painting on. I will be doing a video before then to teach you how to prep an existing canvas that you may have something on, so you don't have to go out, or you can actually paint on plastic poster board or plexiglass or anything that you have that's not porous. So I'm going to be doing a live session on YouTube March 21st at 10 a.m. Hope that everyone can be there. I can't wait to see you there. And we're going to go through a painting together, and hopefully that helps. Again, my thoughts and prayers go out to you and your family. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you then. Thanks again.